In this lecture, we're going to learn another feature of PHP, which are comments. As you already know, comments in HTML were designed for adding notes in our code. They serve the same purpose in PHP. The main difference is how they're written. PHP supports 3 variations for comments. The first syntax for comments is 2 / characters. After these characters, we can write whatever we want. We can even type gibberish. Comments are not processed by the PHP interpreter. Therefore, anything can be written inside a comment. Let's add a comment above the first echo statement. The comment we've written is considered a single-line comment. As the name implies, only the code on this line is affected by the comment. If I were to attempt to write more text on a new line, errors would get thrown. In some cases, you may want to write a long comment. Technically, we could write a comment on a single line, but that would be harder to read. This dilemma leads us to the following type of comment, called a multi-line comment. They're written with the following characters, /**/. In between these characters, we're allowed to break our comments into multiple lines. As long as our text falls between these characters, they're considered to be within the bounds of the comment. This type of comment is called a multi-line comment. They were designed for longer comments. There's one more syntax I want to show you. There's an alternative syntax for writing a single line comment. Rather than using / characters, you can use a hash character. This character also denotes a single line comment. It's not as popular as other solutions, but you may come across it. In the preview, nothing appears aside from the messages in the echo statements. Comments are completely ignored by the PHP interpreter. Overall, comments are a feature for documenting our application. Throughout the course, I'll be using comments to add additional notes to our code. In the next lecture, let's start talking about variables.